Duplicating test setup across every function. There's a much better way. pytest Fixtures. pytest Fixtures let you define reusable setup code with the @pytest.fixture decorator. To use a fixture, a test simply declares its name as a parameter and pytest injects it automatically. Here, db_connection is a fixture that opens a database connection. Any test that needs it just lists it as a parameter, no manual wiring required. Fixtures also handle cleanup. Instead of return, use yield. Code before the yield runs as setup and code after runs as teardown, even if the test fails. This guarantees your resources are always released properly. By default, a fixture runs once per test function. The scope parameter changes this. Use class, module, or session scope to share a fixture across a test class, a file, or the entire test run. This is essential for expensive operations like spinning up a test server. Finally, fixtures can depend on other fixtures. Here, authenticated_client declares db_connection as a parameter. pytest resolves the full dependency chain automatically. This lets you compose complex test setups from small, focused building blocks. pytest fixtures give you reusable, scoped, composable setup and teardown, the foundation of a clean test suite. Try writing one for your next project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.